More minutes, meanwhile others join. I hope my screen is visible to all of you. I hope the screen is visible to all of you. Is it? Okay. So, yeah. So let us start today's session. As I asked you that you please keep your pen and paper ready with you, we will have some calculations today. Okay. So yesterday we discussed about risk and return relationship of any stock. And right now, historical return is what that we understood the formula. The formula was like a minute. that is the return of the security is equal to the return of the security is equal to T1, that is the dividend, plus whatever is the selling price minus the purchasing price whole divided by the purchasing price, right? So based on this, we will learn to calculate few sum today. So question number 1 is, and can you also right? An investor purchased the share of X Limited in rupees 12. So that is the purchase price of the share is 12 rupees. उसने 12 रुपए में एक शेयर खरीदा है. The company paid dividend on the same share, and after a year he sold it for the how we will calculate. I want to know that what is historical return this share has earned based on not. So return of this security is D plus whatever the selling price is minus purchasing price and whole divided. Right. Can you tell me what is the answer? What is the answer? Very simple. Whole divided by please. Can you tell me the answer, please? Is it 50%? All of you are getting the answer 50%? Hear me? Okay, then can you tell me what is the answer for the same? What we are calculating is the return of the stock. I would like to give you an example again, like I would like to show you this PPT. Yesterday we understood there is the risk is of two types, systematic and unsystematic, right? We understood return, then we understood risk and return relationship. Now we are going to do risk and return analysis. मुझे किसी स्टॉक में इन्वेस्ट करना है तो मुझे पता होना चाहिए कि उसका हिस्टोरिकल बिहेवियर क्या था. तो मैं जिस स्टॉक को स्टडी कर रही हूँ उस स्टॉक का मैं हिस्टोरिकल रिस्क एंड रिटर्न कैलकुलेट करूंगी. रिटर्न कैसे हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे? जो प्रीवियस प्राइस था शेयर का और जो आज का प्राइस है उसका डिफरेंस प्लस अगर कोई डिविडेंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हुआ है तो वो डिवाइडेड बाय द प्रीवियस प्राइस. तो मुझे पता चलेगा कि इस स्टॉक ने कितने परसेंटेज रिटर्न दिया है, राइट? सो दिस इज द रिटर्न. We are talking about a general return of a single security, and then we will learn to calculate average rate of return, right? Then we will learn to calculate risk, right? But I hope you people are clear till the time. All of you are clear? All of you are with me where we are, what we are discussing? I want your answer in the chat box, guys. Otherwise, I'll not go ahead with this class, this lecture. Sagar, can you hear me? Sagar, you there? Sneha, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Chamal, can you hear me? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. We all can hear you.
Okay. No, no, I just want to confirm with everybody. So are you having your pen and page with you? Are you all having a pen and page with you? So tell me, no?
Your
So the
voice was
question
breaking in the
is,
beginning.
then you
Can
should
you
have
repeat
told
it
me at
once if
that
you don't
time
mind,
only,
ma'am?
no? I will do it, but
I thought that error was from my side.
why didn't you tell me in the starting only that my voice is breaking? Okay, no problem.
I
चलो,
thought, ma'am, the
we are
whole
talking
class link
about
will
an
provide that.
investor जो इन्वेस्ट करना चाह रहे हैं एक स्टॉक में, राइट? वो स्टॉक ने, okay, no problem. Now, am I audible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Now my voice is proper, or is it is still breaking?
It is proper, ma'am.
Is it proper? Okay, so listen, an investor purchased the share at ₹12। कितने प्राइस में खरीदा था? 12 रुपए में शेयर खरीदा था। उस कंपनी को 0.5 50 पैसे डिविडेंड डिक्लेयर हुआ था, दैट एन इन्वेस्टर गॉट, and after his dividend declaration the investor sold the same share at ₹17.5। तो मुझे इस शेयर का रिटर्न कैलकुलेट करना है, तो मैं कैसे करूंगी? व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला? डिविडेंड प्लस the current price minus previous price all divided by previous price। so ये मैंने लिखा है यहाँ पे, current price is the selling price, उसको सीपी एसपी या फिर करंट प्राइस भी बोलते हो, राइट? या तो फिर द प्राइस एट द एंड ऑफ द पीरियड। आप जो भी पीरियड का कैलकुलेट कर रहे हो तो उसका एंड ऑफ द पीरियड माइनस बिगिनिंग ऑफ द पीरियड। सो एंड ऑफ पीरियड और बिगिनिंग ऑफ द पीरियड का जो डिफरेंस है वो फाइंड करना है। दिस होल का जो आंसर आएगा उसको डिवाइडेड बाय आप द प्राइस एट बिगिनिंग जो होगा उससे डिवाइड करोगे। आई होप द फॉर्मूला आपको समझ में आ रही है। मैं कैसे कैलकुलेट करूंगी? 12 रुपए से मेरे को 17.5 में बेचा तो मुझे 5 क्या मिल रहा है? 0.5 मुझे क्या मिला? डिविडेंड। तो टोटल 6 रुपए मुझे रिटर्न मिला। कितना मेरा इन्वेस्टमेंट था? 12 रुपीज का। सो 12 रुपीज पे 6 रुपीज का रिटर्न, दैट मींस व्हाट आई एम अर्निंग 50%। वही चीज हमने उस फॉर्मूला में पुट ऑन करी है, तो आई एम गेटिंग द आंसर 0.25 यानी कि 50%। Please write down the next question. Please write down next question, all of you. I hope I am properly audible now. I guess there was some issue related to connectivity. Okay, now what we were discussing, I'll giving you another question. I hope you people are with me. I am again presenting my screen to all of you. Write down the next question. An investor purchased the share of XYZ Limited, purchased the share of XYZ Limited at ₹100, at ₹100. Dividend declared on the same share is ₹4, is ₹4. He sold the share at ₹115. What is the return? What is the return on this share? What is the return, you will tell me? Tell me. Question number 2. An investor bought a share of ₹100 He sold the share at rupees 115 and he received a 4 rupees dividend. What is the return on this share? I'm giving you 2 minutes to calculate this sum. Tell me the answer. I'm waiting for your answer. Sneha is saying 19%. Dhananjay, Jay, what is your answer? Jay, what answer you are getting? Jay, unmute yourself and tell me how 19%? How 19%?
Yes, ma'am. 4% dividend and 15% percentage profit.
Profit of
Yes.
or capital gain, right?
हाँ.
Very good. So how we will write the answer? We will write the answer like this, right? Answer लिखने का एक तरीका है. तो D1 उसको क्या बोलेंगे हम? D1 कितना था? 4 rupees, right? Price at the beginning. Price at the beginning को हम बोलेंगे P1. तो जब खरीदा था तब प्राइस कितना था? 100 rupees. And P प्राइस एट द टाइम ऑफ एंड, यानी कि एट द एंड ऑफ द पीरियड हम लिखेंगे 115. सो हाउ वी विल कैलकुलेट द रिटर्न? ये हिस्टोरिकल रिटर्न है, राइट? हिस्ट्री में मतलब पिछले में इतना रिटर्न इस शेयर ने दिया हुआ है. सो 4 + 115 minus 100 bracket over whole divided by 100. The answer is 0.19 or 19%. I hope everybody is clear with this answer. No question, no problem in this. Right? Now, here I'm giving you another example. This is a Reliance share. Right? हम Reliance share की बात कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे, ठीक है? और ये हो गया जनवरी, ये हो गया फरवरी, मार्च, अप्रैल, मई, जून. अच्छा, एक शेयर है जो मैंने खरीदा है, ठीक है? एक शेयर है मैंने खरीदा है. वेट अ मिनट. मैंने एक शेयर खरीदा है जनवरी में. आई बॉट दिस शेयर इन जनवरी 100 रुपीज में. फेब्रुवरी में उसका प्राइस हो गया 110. मार्च में इसका प्राइस हो गया 113. अप्रैल में इस शेयर का प्राइस था 110. मई में इस शेयर का प्राइस था 125 और जून में इस शेयर का प्राइस हो गया है 130. अभी मैं आपको मंथली रिटर्न कैलकुलेट करने को बोलूं तो आप कैसे करोगे? देखिए, how I will calculate the monthly return, right? I can calculate the return of February. अच्छा, कैसे? तो फरवरी का जो रिटर्न है हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे ऐसे. D प्लस रिटर्न तो वही है ना, एट दी P2 that is ending price, P1 that is the beginning of the this thing period and divided by P1, right? So dividend तो कुछ हमें मिला नहीं है क्योंकि क्वेश्चन में तो नहीं दिया है, तो 0 डिविडेंड. प्लस एट द एंड ऑफ द मंथ क्या प्राइस है? 1110. आज क्या प्राइस है उसकी? 1110 है ना. और बिगिनिंग ऑफ द टाइम पे कितना प्राइस था? 100 डिवाइडेड बाय 100. दैट मीन्स इस मंथ में इस शेयर को मिले हैं कितने परसेंटेज रिटर्न? 10% return this share have earned, right? 10% return we have earned on this share in the month of February, right? The same way, can you tell me how much return we have earned in the month of March? Beginning will be February, ending will be March. Tell me how many percentage? How many percentage? February को beginning period लोगे और March को ending period लोगे. तो 0. All of you are understanding? Tell me what will be the return in the March. I'm giving you two minutes. What will be the return of this security Reliance shares in the March? Monthly return हम calculate कर रहे हैं. तो what will be the return of month March? Bhavya, can you hear me? Can you unmute yourself, please? Bhavya. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm talking about Bhavya Detharia. Bhavya Detharia, not Kandar. Bhavya Detharia. Bhavya, you have to unmute yourself. If not possible, tell me what I will take dividend कितना लेंगे हम यहाँ पे? What should I take as a dividend here? What is the dividend here? Chandni? Chandni, can you tell me what is the dividend here? $113 minus 110. Or what is the dividend? 0, because no dividend has been said. 113 minus 110. Divided by कितना करेंगे? Divided by what? 110. Right? Tell me the answer. Sagar, tell me the answer.
3%.
How much? 3% you said? Sure. No, not 3%. See, 3 divided by 110, Sagar, not 100. 113 अपना beginning का प्राइस कितना है? 110, क्योंकि हमने फरवरी से मार्च का रिटर्न कैलकुलेट करना है. So we will take here.
Ma'am, 27.27%.
27.27%, right? Are you sure?
No, ma'am.
No.
2.73%.
It is 2.73. Good. Not 27, it is 2.73. So अगर एक बार और चेक करो, देखो 3 रुपए का रिटर्न मिल रहा है हमें 110 के इन्वेस्टमेंट पे. 110 when I'm investing, I'm earning 3 rupees. So the answer is 2.73%. Okay. Then tell me answer of April, return of April. What return I'm earning in the April? What return I am earning in the April month? Who will tell me? Shivangi, can you unmute yourself, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Tell me how we will write here. Dividend 0. Plus what? What will come here? What is the ending price of this month?
80.
Why 80?
1110, sorry.
110 minus what will come here?
1110.
Why 1110? पहले तो 1110 ऐसा कोई फिगर ही नहीं है. देखो शिवांगी, what is the ending period? हम मार्च से अप्रैल का कर रहे हैं, तो मार्च is the beginning period, अप्रैल is the ending period. फॉर्मूला क्या है? डिविडेंड प्लस इनटू ब्रैकेट एंडिंग पीरियड माइनस बिगिनिंग ऑफ द पीरियड. सो अभी बिगिनिंग ऑफ द पीरियड में प्राइस क्या था? कैन यू टेल मी?
100.
बिगिनिंग ऑफ द पीरियड ऑफ दिस मंथ मार्च एंड अप्रैल, अब भी मैंने बोला थोड़ी देर पहले अप्रैल इज द एंडिंग पीरियड, क्योंकि मुझे रिटर्न चाहिए मार्च से अप्रैल का, मुझे जनवरी से अप्रैल का रिटर्न नहीं चाहिए।
113.
Yes, I wanted to know कि मार्च से अप्रैल में क्या था। So beginning of the March, the price was 113. मार्च खत्म होते होते और beginning of the अप्रैल में हो गया 110. So ये है ending period, ये है beginning period. So ending period में है 110, beginning में है 113. Divided by कितना करेंगे हम? Divided by कितना करेंगे हम?
113.
Yes, 113. And tell me the answer. जल्दी से अपने कैलकुलेटर या मोबाइल जो चालू है उसमें ही करो और मुझे बताओ आंसर क्या है। What is the answer?
2.65.
प्लस या माइनस?
Minus.
हाँ, माइनस 2.65%। उसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि ये मार्च से अप्रैल में 2.65% का हमें लॉस हुआ, राइट। जनवरी टू फरवरी में मुझे 10% का रिटर्न मिला था, फरवरी टू मार्च में मुझे 2.73% का रिटर्न मिला, मार्च टू अप्रैल में आई लॉस 2.65। सेम वे फॉर मे। धनंजय, कैन यू अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me what is the answer? 0. कोई डिविडेंड तो दिया नहीं है, तो what is the price at the end of the period?
125
125। अब मैं क्या करूं, माइनस या प्लस?
minus
हाँ, कितना?
110.
क्यों? क्योंकि वो बिगिनिंग ऑफ द मंथ में प्राइस था, राइट। एंड
Yes.
डिवाइडेड बाय
110.
ओके, एंड व्हाट इज द आंसर?
Ma'am, 1 minute. $13.63.
13.63%. All of you agree with this answer? Those people are calculating are agree with this?
Yes, ma'am.
It's 4, ma'am.
हाँ, 64. Okay, chalo. Who will tell me for the return for the June? Who will tell me? Krimi, can you unmute yourself? Krimi and Vidya together answer me this. Acha, Krimi, what should write here? What should I write here?
103, 130 minus 125.
130 minus 125?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Divided by?
125.
And what is the answer?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
4%.
कितने?
4%.
Perfect. चलो, मतलब 5 divided by 125, so 4. Okay. So इस मंथ में, इस 6 मंथ में, पहले मंथ में this security gave me return of 10%. Second month में it gave me 2.73%. Third month में this security provided us with the 2.65% return. Fourth month में it provided us with the 13.64%, and at the last it gave me 4%. तो ये क्या हो गया? Monthly return of this security, right? Now, if I want to calculate the average return, average monthly return of Reliance share, how I will calculate it? Write down into the chat box. I'm giving you 2 minutes to think about it. That if I wanted to know that what is the average return of this Reliance share, monthly average return in last 6 months, मैं कैसे calculate करूंगी? Please let me know. Average monthly return of this security कैसे calculate करेंगे? Tell me. Total divided by 6 या total divided by 5? Dhananjay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total divided by 5 ही आएगा. So हम calculate कर रहे हैं अभी average return of this security. Tell me what is the answer. You are right. Total करना है and divided by 5 करना है. But when you are making total, make sure this has to be deducted and not to be added because it is minus. So 10 plus 2.73 minus 2.65 plus 13.64 plus 4. divided by 5 and tell me the answer. Good, Jay and Chitra. Other, please do it fast. Good. Good. So इस सिक्योरिटी ने एवरेज 5.54 परसेंटेज रिटर्न दिया है, राइट? Agree with this? Okay. Now write down the next question. Write down question number 4. This is 3, right? This was 3. Write down question number 4 and you will do it within 2 minutes. This is 4. Okay. We are talking about ICICI Bank share prices. Then Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August. ठीक है? So this is the price of the share. Okay, this is the price of the share. I hope you can see it. Tell me the fast. Tell me fast the answer. मतलब calculate the return of this share as much fast as you can. Can you see the screen? Tell me return of the each month. What will be the first? 1, 2, 4, 5 minus 1, 3, 2, 4 divided by what? The answer is Jay, minus 5.9. Okay, good. Minus 5.90 percentage, right? Okay, what is the next answer? Tell me, everyone. What is the next answer?
88.35.
88%.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, divided by 1245 is equal to 88 percentage. Okay. And next.
Minus 38.0.
Minus 38 point. minus 38.04
04.
percentage. Okay, what is the next?
मैम
हाँ जी,
मैम
हाँ,
ये जैन का नहीं निकलेगा ना मैम, क्योंकि उसका पहले का रिटर्न दिया नहीं इसलिए।
जैन का नहीं निकलेगा, फेब्रुआरी से ही स्टार्ट होगा। सो फेब्रुआरी का रिटर्न है 5.9 परसेंटेज। 1245 minus 1324 divided by 1324.
ठीक है।
What is the answer for next?
Minus 1.4.
Just a minute. 1453 divided by 1453. The answer is Jay. What is the answer?
Minus 1.45.
1.45 percentage. Okay, what is the next answer?
$7.96.
Answer is 7.96. What is the next? Chitra, your answer is for the month of July. Chitra, please let me know. Sneha, you there?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. Minus 10.86.
10.86
86.
percentage for the month of July, right? And for the
Yes.
month of August, 1290 minus 1378 divided by 1378. The answer is Augusta 6.39. So minus 6.39. Now, can anybody tell me what is the average return of this, average monthly return of this share? Average monthly return of this share? So average of this is 6.718 percentage. It must be 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total by divided by 7. Total divided by 7, right? So average monthly return provided by this security is what? This ICICI Bank is 6.71% ka return overall this company has given. Vidya, confirm it. 4.798 or 6.718?
4.80.
4.80. Other, please confirm. 4.80 percentage. All of you are getting the same answer? All of you are getting the answer?
4.76.
76 or 80 is same. Okay, good. Others, please complete it and tell me. Abhi, if anybody is having any doubt, please let me know. Meanwhile, I'm taking your attendance. Today is 23. Ma'am. Kajal. Yash, Shomal.
Present मैम।
Viraj. Vidya.
Yes, ma'am.
Kavita. Sneha.
Yes, ma'am.
Chandni.
Yes,
Bhavya.
ma'am.
Bhavya Detharia.
Yes. Yes,
Chitra.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Charmi. Ishita. Joy.
Yes, ma'am.
Rimi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yash Agarwal.
यस मैम।
Dhananjay.
Yes, ma'am.
Dhruvi. Shivangi.
Yes, ma'am.
Sagar,
Yes.
Leela, Aditi,
Yes, ma'am.
Ashwini, Bhavya Kandar.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody left? Please let me know. These many people are absent. देख लो अपना नाम तो नहीं है उसमें. Okay, so if you have no doubt, we can go ahead. I can close this session now. Anybody is having any doubt in this session, please let me know.